Oatmeal, a breakfast choice that seems simple enough, is often hailed as a superfood for its many health benefits like lowering cholesterol, stabilizing blood sugar, aiding digestion, and helping with weight management. But did you know that over 80% of people who eat oatmeal daily are unknowingly sabotaging all of these benefits due to a few small mistakes? A properly made bowl of oatmeal can help you stay youthful and healthy every day. But when it's prepared the wrong way, it can quietly spike your blood sugar, promote fat gain, and trigger low-grade inflammation, which can slowly harm your heart, brain, and body. So which group do you belong to? In this video, we'll reveal the 10 most common mistakes people make when eating oatmeal, from the way it's cooked and what's added to it, to the toppings. And more importantly, I'll show you simple fixes so oatmeal can live up to its true potential as the golden breakfast it should be. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe so you never miss out on easy, practical nutrition tips. And don't forget to drop a comment telling us where you're tuning in from. Before diving into the mistakes, let's quickly go over why oatmeal is often considered a secret weapon for your health. First, it's loaded with essential nutrients. A small serving of oatmeal gives you a good amount of magnesium, which helps transport oxygen and supports muscle function, boosts immunity, and provides B vitamins that nourish your skin and hair while keeping your energy levels steady. What's amazing is that oatmeal is very low in calories compared to the impressive nutritional value it provides. The beta-glucan fiber found in oatmeal is also a powerful asset. This type of fiber forms a gel-like substance in the gut, helping to lower LDL cholesterol, improve blood pressure, stabilize blood sugar, and promote a healthy gut microbiome. This is why oatmeal can help protect your heart, prevent diabetes, and improve digestion all at once. Additionally, oatmeal is rich in antioxidants, especially a rare group called avenanthramides, which reduce inflammation, improve blood flow, and protect cells from free radical damage. These effects not only help prevent disease, but also slow down the body's natural aging process. Plus, oatmeal supports weight management because it helps you feel full longer, stabilizes blood sugar, and provides steady energy. Oatmeal curbs cravings and reduces unnecessary snacking. In short, a properly made bowl of oatmeal lays the foundation for heart health, digestive wellness, metabolic balance, and even beauty from the inside out. But since oatmeal plays such a crucial role, even small mistakes in preparation can quietly undo all the good it offers. So, what are the 10 most common mistakes, and how can you avoid them? Let's dive into the next section now. The first mistake people make is adding too much sugar to their oatmeal. While oatmeal is naturally healthy, just a little extra sugar or syrup can turn it into a sugar bomb. Many people think, it's just a little sprinkle. What's the harm? But the truth is, this small habit can cause a big spike in your blood sugar, followed by a crash that leaves you feeling tired, sluggish, and craving more food. Over time, eating too much sugar regularly increases the risk of insulin resistance, weight gain, and eventually leads to type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and other metabolic issues. Consuming a high-sugar breakfast can condition your body to abnormal glucose levels, weakening your immune system and inflammatory responses. So, what can you do to keep oatmeal both delicious and healthy? The answer is simple. Focus on natural sweetness from fresh fruits like ripe bananas, apples, or berries. You can also add natural spices like cinnamon or vanilla to enhance the flavor without adding sugar. Mistake number 2 is using pre-flavored instant oatmeal. Though convenient, these oatmeal packets are loaded with sugar. Just one small serving can have 15 to 20 grams of sugar, which is the equivalent of 4.5 teaspoons. On top of that, they often contain preservatives, artificial flavors, hydrogenated oils, and sodium, all of which are bad for your heart and blood sugar stability. What seems like a healthy breakfast is actually a hidden sugar overload. The consequences don't appear immediately, but over time, they can lead to erratic blood sugar levels, energy crashes, early hunger pangs, and an increased risk of chronic inflammation, cardiovascular disease, and diabetes. Many people aren't aware because manufacturers cleverly market these products with labels like heart healthy or natural flavors. The best approach is to go for simplicity. Choose plain oats like rolled oats or steel-cut oats, and then add your own natural ingredients like bananas, strawberries, cinnamon, or a drizzle of raw honey if you prefer a bit of sweetness. Mistake number 3 is eating oatmeal without adding protein. Many people focus only on carbs and fiber and forget about protein. Although oatmeal is nutrient-rich, it's low in protein, which is essential for balancing blood sugar, preserving muscle mass, and keeping you feeling full. If you eat oatmeal with just water or plant-based milk, you'll likely feel hungry again soon after, and your blood sugar levels will fluctuate. This explains why many people, despite trying to eat healthily, still feel sluggish, gain weight easily, or gradually lose muscle mass. Eating oatmeal without protein is like building a house without a foundation. It might look okay on the outside, but it's weak inside. To fix this, just add a good source of protein to your oatmeal. A spoonful of chia seeds, some sliced almonds, a boiled egg on the side, or mixing in Greek yogurt are all great options. This way, your breakfast not only tastes better, but also keeps you full and energized until lunchtime. Mistake number 4 is eating too much oatmeal in one sitting. There's no denying that oatmeal is good for you, but even healthy foods can backfire if eaten in excess. Many people fill their bowls with heaps of oatmeal, top it with peanut butter, nuts, and honey, thinking they're having a super nutritious breakfast. But in reality, that bowl can end up packing as many calories as a fast food meal they're trying to avoid. The problem isn't just the extra calories. Eating too much oatmeal, especially when it's already high in fiber, can lead to bloating, indigestion, and even interfere with the absorption of important minerals like iron and zinc. If you have sensitive digestion, that sluggish feeling can last throughout the morning. The solution is simple. Control your portion size. Half a cup of dry oats is enough for a balanced meal. Once cooked, the oats will double in volume. Pair them with fresh fruit, a few nuts or some yogurt, and you'll have a nutritious, satisfying meal without overwhelming your system. Mistake number 5 is not soaking oats before eating. This small step can make a big difference for your health, but many people skip it, thinking oats are already clean and ready to cook. The truth is, not soaking oats can reduce the absorption of essential minerals. Oats contain phytic acid, which can block your body from absorbing iron, zinc, and calcium. If you eat oats regularly without soaking them, you may develop mineral deficiencies over time. It's easy to fix. Just soak your oats in water or plant-based milk for 6 to 8 hours before cooking, or leave them in the fridge overnight. This process breaks down some of the phytic acid, making the nutrients in oats easier to absorb. Soaked oats are also gentler on your digestive system, reducing the risk of bloating and discomfort. If you want to save time in the morning, make overnight oats the night before. It's a simple change that can make a big difference in the nutritional value of your oatmeal. Mistake number 6 is eating undercooked oats. Many people assume that if oats soften a little, they're ready to eat. But undercooked oats can make your digestive system work harder than necessary. The fiber in oats is great for heart health and blood sugar control, but if the oats aren't fully cooked, this fiber becomes harder to digest, often leading to bloating, discomfort, or even gas. To get the most out of your oats, cook them fully until they're soft and tender. This helps you absorb more of the vitamins and minerals while promoting gentle digestion and gut health. Mistake number 7 is overcooking oatmeal. On the other hand, some people cook their oatmeal for too long, turning it into a sticky, mushy mess. This not only ruins the texture, but also decreases the nutritional value of the oats. When you overcook oatmeal, the creamy texture is lost, and the oats digest faster, which can leave you hungry sooner. Prolonged cooking also destroys some of the B vitamins, which are sensitive to heat. The key is to cook the oats until they're soft and tender, but still retain a bit of texture. If you prefer smoother oatmeal, go for instant oats instead of overcooking rolled or steel-cut oats. Mistake number 8 is using the wrong liquid to cook oatmeal. Many people think that adding milk at the beginning makes the oatmeal creamier. But in reality, the protein in the milk reacts with the starch in the oats, making it thick and sticky. Instead, cook the oats with water first. Once they're tender, stir in milk or a plant-based alternative like almond milk or oat milk to create a smooth, creamy texture without making the oats overly thick or mushy. Mistake number 9 is skipping salt when cooking oatmeal. Some people avoid adding salt, thinking they should keep everything as bland as possible. But a pinch of salt can actually bring out the natural sweetness of the oats and improve the flavor of toppings like fruit, nuts, or honey. Adding salt at the beginning helps it dissolve evenly, giving the oatmeal a richer flavor throughout. Mistake number 10 is relying solely on oatmeal for your diet. While oatmeal is packed with nutrients, it's not enough on its own. If you only eat oatmeal every day, you might miss out on important nutrients like high-quality protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins like B12, as well as omega-3 fatty acids. To get a balanced diet, pair your oats with nuts for healthy fats, eggs or Greek yogurt for protein, and fresh fruit for added vitamins. Make sure your other meals are balanced too, with plenty of vegetables, lean meats, and fatty fish. Oatmeal can be one of the healthiest breakfasts around, but as you've seen, a few small mistakes can strip away its benefits. By making just a few simple adjustments, choosing plain oats, adding protein, paying attention to cooking methods, and diversifying your meals, you can turn your morning bowl of oatmeal into a real powerhouse for heart health, blood sugar stability, weight management, and long-term wellness. Healthy living isn't about relying on a single food. It's about building good habits every day. I hope you found today's tips helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more evidence-based nutrition content. And let us know in the comments, how do you enjoy your oatmeal? And what changes will you make after learning these common mistakes? See you in the next video.